wow. Got another tiny one. It smells like seafood in here. Why isn't the door closing? There we go. Wow. Yeah, this is a little one. Oh my, this might be the narrowest one so far. Look at this. It's barely bigger than my foot. Look, I can't even fit them both. Yeesh. Another teeny one. Can I turn around in it? Just barely. My belly button touches the wall when I do so, but I can turn around. Slam. Slam. Somebody's been playing tic-tac-toe in here. Here's your view of the COP. Have to use 0.5 camera, sorry. Because this is what you're, well, no, we can kind of get a decent view of it. Send it down. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Yeah, another little thing. Hopefully the camera's picking up the car movement. I'm just kind of holding it over the hoistway. I can't see what it's pointing at. Right there's your counterweight coming up. This one has a normal counterweight. It's not one of those weird ones where it like goes back around or it goes on the outside. Anyway, that's it.